Hi guys, it's me again, Rolly Jessica Cañada, your cook for today. So for today's dish is pinakbet. But before that, here's some basic stretching exercise. So now, we're done with our basic stretching exercises. So now, let's proceed to the pinakbet ingredients. Before to peel, cut, eat, and cook the raw vegetables, even fruits, we should wash it because it reduces bacteria that may be present on fresh product or produce. Squash can improve eye health. A vitamin C and beta-carotene are found in a squash that may be helped to reduce the chances of vision loss. Bitter gourd is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. It contains iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamins like A and C.
Got the kick. Nutrients defense food, which means that it contains good amount of vitamins, minerals, and fiber in few calories. String beans are a rich source of vitamin C, A, and K, also folic acid and fiber. Ladyfinger is a flowering plant in the mallow family. It is rich in minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Tomato are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene. It can reduce risk of heart disease and cancer. Onion contains antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation and reduce cholesterol. Garlic. It is a good source of other minerals, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, and iron. Kick.
Next is pork. It is mostly made up of protein, which is one of the most complete dietary source of protein. Number 1. Pour some 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil and then let the oil heat in a large pot over medium heat. Step number 2. Cook and stir the onion first. And then next is the garlic and the tomato in the hot oil until it tender about 5 minutes. Add the pork and stir until it browned and cook until 5 to 7 minutes. Add some water to tender the pork. Then season with salt and oyster sauce. Continue cooking
Cover it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the bitter gourd, eggplant, and ladyfinger to the pot. And now here is the final product.